And currently, the president of Ghana, His Excellency the President, John Dramani Mahama, he's under serious attack. Ghana for air blasting the power. Say or no one can say I can't say now went to many in the bushes. We'll chat through. You chat through the Ghana for one can say I can't say went to me any so. Ghana for no abe blast mama say ain't it? Juma be pan na IGP tell you who know. Juma be pan why you Ghana hand went to Mahama as a man another 2 years. Kwesi Pratt kwase on tiase. Aha Penyah block me that mess was any demo. Obe like his video no that my subscribe button some click the notification icon for the just updates. Now bet the word join the mama e will comments. She must so no she for so any be ahwe. And to know where 2025 film the number of cases, robbery cases, criminal cases, chieftaincy dispute, any other idea leading to semi-war conflict, any other but I was a happy war. Ghana ha 2025 win under the watch of IGP Tetteh Yohonu as Ghana's IGP no. Enye easy. Just who be crowded. Ghana who be that. The insecurity in this country 2025 no master a top notch. Ube kwasima ube free. Ube kwa. Ube free. Udin se huna ube kwa. And people have been criticizing this IGP Tetteh Yohonu. I said they were incompetent because his position as IGP to Ghana no. Ghana for you feel as you've not felt it. We've not felt it. We've not felt it. It's not be just Mahama Sakino. Right after some man appointment, so but this man doesn't deserve it. I was Mahama Sakino. Even to the point where I call Bokua, got to the car to the whole quarter Abeka actually. The whole IGP more Alco Bokoni at Tunica too. When the man police went to man, there wasn't any action. Yes, sir. Boko prove got Boko for say the Boko people they are powerful than the Ghana police itself. They are so powerful than Ghana police. And you know, the number of policemen are cool more Ghana had 205 years. Any military men are cool more Ghana had 205 years. Massa, easy because civilian and police need because besides, IGP call Boko ya 22. PNC. It's better than a civilian because police need. The whole IGP are 22. It's better than police need civilian go slowly. Almost zero police for now. Almost zero. That's a question. IGP by no, I'm Ghana police no. It is gradually losing its credibility. Losing credibility. I'm a Ghana for na can who Asem. But you know this IGP no. December you be no. According to the age no, obekwa humijim, obeka call suspend, obeka pension, and now we go on retirement. But obeka in April, and I crack every office of the president buy. And Mahama H say, when we say IGP Tetteh Yohonu krano, this year no obeka pension, and now we go on retirement. What it when we be now our property Ghana for say IGP echo retirement after this year, you know, the position as IGP no Jeffrey Ninsem or the woman papa from. Yenka bin shape. About 2 weeks ago, Mahama be a press conference on Kasa. IGP Tetteh Yohonu, the contract not the man no. Why extending to another 2 years? And I'm going to say, auntie, dear bear pie, you my pain IGP Tetteh Yohonu. Why ain't no? Mahama feels so impressed. That has impressed Mahama to the point say, Papa, you come home with your still or that's one position. Jebe I don't know Papa why.
Order for me more platform. Yeba beto aba 2024 no. Yewura John Dramani Mahama ejina simpi so. Eka kire say Ghana adwumayefo se wo time so anaso retirement eso wa homegye ebre so a ye ma wo nto wa adwuma so bi. Ena onya akwanya Ghana for ye to aba ma na wa be president. On April, almost say you should letter confirm say post retirement contract yeah extended the band to so. Emma Ghana ye nyina obiara boni say ma o Yewura John Dramani Mahama wa yade. And the die na esia mo be ka tie say Yewura ye Tetteh Yohonu. Ne contract ne retirement aso December yi or corner homegym. Na emom police council recommend say ye extending the contract. Na be say mebusa Yewura John Dramani Mahama John on kanokre John Liar Galamsey aban say ene de band na mo de to so no se the one year free so na say band ne de so da so mo na mo kan yewu se mo de band ato so na ne de die na ba se the mo extend the IGP contract se the mo left band na say band ne de so da so na say ye o manya ye ni da ho ye serious enka IGP enke ya pam no da Kenya se watena wa be se bosome eduba akoni IGP ba Ghana phobia tutu akotena obi ma so akoda no refugee so robbery cases a ebo o my Ghana mu enipa kunkum yenhwe be se bosome eduba akoni nipa yekum wo mu robbery cases abo o my Ghana mu IGP koboko entokwa si ho a ese ye fa kwan ye wakogina boko ka tere om se omfo motuom wo na obefo mu police we ye IGP a ese ye mane etena ho a ne real time ye mane ese ye mane extension se ye oman ye ni abere se ye pese ye build a corona IGP we se kia pam ne da enso nam se John Dramani Mahama amamu ofun galamsi amamu a omubu ene no kro mo nkanti no o be ka tere se o extend the contract die na IGP we o deserve say extending the contract. And yama papa be no buy say police IGP why ya say extending the contract. It will not kwani nipo police mu a say o di IGP. Abra the time waso it ye ni obi wo hon mo betim so IGP ni bi. Ye ka say NDC amamu we ya amamu fun amamu tantan galamsi amamu akromfo aban a obi wa wonte ase na ka IGP say extending the contract. Say di enti na Tetteh Yohonu say extending the contract. Incompetent IGP did na say extending the contract. Say incompetent abanya Jantuah Mahama did anymore. Esen ka IGP extending contract. Mimi amede obi bia se oba so no ahia ma anu aso ti. Me da wase bebre.
I don't best radio na no so so wutie no. Nyankopon ensa wo. Abusua anopain adibi amama di hwamo. Yes. Amama mebusa me won se bebre. Yes. Police Council approved 2-year extension of IGP Christian Tetteh Yohonu's tenure as he turns 60 on December 27th. Abusia Ghana will be in the government sectors no. Unya 60 years per masa. Where we were Jumaye. Na ayada na Ghana IGP Tetteh Yohonu obey 60 years on the 27th of December afia. Na yesu yasa extended to ni final council yaman 2 years eda ka ho enti musa say o chire ni bi so chira de na ono so anya 60 years o ho kwa say aticha fokuo no enso extend ni final na nurse ni bi omo ho kwa say omo kuo extend omo final na soldiers for omo ho kwa na ma say de be ka no kwa na chiro aya wunya no kwa de me ade mi dwane ni po o ti no kore mi dwa keke ya jalo bi musa le adam mi de bia me ka ba o me ade mi mpere ba ni po twantro o ja se me mpe kura ene usa ni pande me no mienu yani enhia da aya de o se Ghana de o ya ba adwuma nko ade o nya 60 years pe ba retire o ko pension na afi de ban say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama as I assume extended Tetteh Yohonu 2 years. Yebeka no kona kire mu. Ye hu be ye hi de best yebeka. Me ntiase. Omombra no be kire mu. Penifom bra no be kire mu. Ebia say because e we mra ni 60 years obeko pension. Enti me question me busale. Teacher ni 60 years o checheri no ohun kwan. Se onu so ka so o extend ni mfie. Mu ntwi ni mfie ni ma no mo fa bi kan ma no. Mo be ye. Nurse ni mo be ye. Obi ejuma bank mo be ye. Soja ni mo be ye. Mo be ye na
Abusunya IGP Tetteh Yohonu samre ya me no kasa de police council wakwa akotena se omo ma ne 2 years extension na IGP yenyina nim se ne time ebe so 27 December me kire okọ pension nanso police council emprempren omakwa akotena se oma sama ne 2 years enti president John Dramani Mahama onhwe na wa accept sa de no emfa emomo na asem we beto odwa na Ghana fo bebrebu sa se yeti kromo na emre de yewura president John Dramani Mahama si so no onam the secretary to the president Kalistus Mahama edi krata beto abonten se na so obi ko pension ena ye be extending na man contract ni ade no ono yewura John Mahama mamodie onso so sa krata no eba on the 2nd of April 2025 na me no de me wanwane se ohwe police council na de woye police council omo chairman the vice president ye maame Jane Nana Opoku Ajiman ono no nso nimpefe say yewura Mahama e de krata ba abonten say contract sem de on so enti adanti kura na eye police council mo be kwa kwatena say mo ba be take that decision no na mo de akwa akoma president na president accept it. Police council no uche omo form ya the vice president ka ho the interior minister ka ho na afei yenuanum senior police officers o makọ retirement no omo representative ewom na afei attorney general anase a representative ka ho Ghana Bar Association so wo lawyer ono so ye den ka ho na mebusa me ho say sankofo we nyina enim krata ya yewura president Mahama enam Kalistus so e de beto abonten no enti ade enti kọ na mekọ akọtena se akọfa again no wa abra munim say president na making the stance clear say contract sem no onso so Asem ba akokra ye say busa ne say edi adwumadie poten na yewura Tetteh Yohonu wadi a wasan here 2 years adwumadie ben IGP yetimi kwoto tuo bo ne ka mu na ebesi samre yenhu de sa asem na kwakosi no o san aka che Ghana for say ye extend no say on santo so 2 years enti ye say busa ye ho say ene chief justice ayede na ba betina so yi so ono so time so amobeba be pre say ye man contract anase den adia bi wo ho a eni kwan se kwatena se kra se ye adwene ho anya hwe ye wo police officers a omo Ghana police a omo nso no equally omo betimi abedi position no a obiti wa wonim se ono na sa position no so aye den adu ne so nipa no wakọ pension amoma ne nkọ because wabaye de obetimi am oman no e bibie ni ho foforo bi ma oba beye nothing new dada na entinu die ni extension ene ye pese ye ni say mumma nipa ne nkotena se no onwene ne ho because IGP Tetteh Yohonu na anim say ono wabre omo de contract extension ena wei ena ne time aso yensa ma ne nkobiam sa na o ma be ka kire Ghana for say ai ne sa na tie dia president Mahama kra no ye ma ne nkote time de mo ye nyina Ghana for ahunu. And there is no way Ghana for be accept sanyo man. And the IGP Tetteh Yohonu am pese by force mo man contract ni ade no mo njai na mo because you police for ni bi o ha o metimi adi dwumade na bro se de IGP Tetteh Yohonu odi no.
Ezu yeah chale bi aboko chale quick one yeah pese me address some quick issue we see here one so it's about this post. First and foremost, the current IGP, he's a very fantastic gentleman. I don't have any problem with him. Very nice man. Very, very nice man. In fact, he's brought sanity into the police service. I love him so much. But, the truth of the matter is, Daddy, John Dramani Mahama, ni NDC Penyah, me pamucho, se obi retirement so a mo mani panenko sa retirement ebe so we extend state ta emboa a bad president is a man Ghana police so mark it somewhere other institution it's not that there obi retirement be so na e be some letter chale let's call a spade say e be ye ni extend wait no there are a lot of young guys out there who can occupy the position and deliver. Samushana if the money be extended obi our retire there. Why don't you retire the whole? Why don't you extend the whole retirement age? 70 or 70 also you have to sit on it till 70 now for retire. That's how be retirement best. Niaka say whether you pay for extra mo. And yes, I bet the diako order you now for the internal year then creating internal issues be brave. It doesn't help. Ye pamucho onipane dibia moma nko sebi onko di here. Maybe we di edunu nyame adum. You see, so read this book my first coup d'etat. There's a portion that say like you always have to bow out or step down when the applause is loud. Ye pamucho. Yes, Remo. I did when Kwande by yes, addressing. Obi retirement soon, Momanin co. No extension at 2 years. The who here, yes, Remo. We don't want to hear this in any other institution, other place now that day. We want to say ABS SNIT, GMPC, ECG, Ahaniha, no, wait time as you best and there be time as well, Tamaso. Yes, Remo. Madame Wasi, Ezu.
Hey, Kenny. Ghana for yeti krom ha ena letter way eba abonten
On 2nd April 2025, Abrana His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wadi 4 months ewa akonya so. The buyer no, Gerani Sashasiye Mr. Callistus Mahama, PhD. Oye President Mahama, the secretary. Yeti kromha ena lete wei eba abonting. A free office of the president. It was signed by Dr. Callistus Mahama, the executive secretary to the president. Na letter no, mumienka di wum. President Mahama and the director papa yi say oncho sa letter no. O say, suspension of grant of contract appointments. The grant of post-retirement contract appointments to retired public service staff has been suspended with immediate effect. 2. Consequently, all requests for such appointment will no longer be considered. Number 3. Kindly take note of this directive and ensure strict compliance. Signed, Callistus Mahama, PhD, Secretary to the President. And the President, his word is his bond. Let her know every office of the President and that screen is no. The President Mahama can say, entertain obia obako retirement. Entertain say sambra na sabeye juma. Intimo bia enfo bia wako retirement and I say the time aso wako retirement me and some man contract e wo letter we mu President Mahama na instructed Callistus Mahama so on trust letter no 6 months down the line and then another one asa pop up momienkai 26 November 2025 and then letter eba bonting momienkai o say President Mahama approves re-engagement of Christian Tetteh Yohonu as IGP for 2 years, effective December 28. Inconsistency, approbate and reprobate. Sa enyoma say any ya Ghana for any enkofo and trusted politicians no. Oba power na instruct ye say Maya ma obia contract obia ne contract asubia no onko fie no kogina ho mani ma obi fufuro so mra no mra meye adwuma Tetteh Yohonu abaye IGP the time aso so okofie His Excellency John Dramani Mahama asa man contract 2 years osuso ba power na issue letter through Callistus Mahama e man de beto abontin letter no say pese obeso sa anyoma no so o contract anasa o time so no di 60 years emra ne say ko retirement ko tenafie Dema obia odi wachi ono somra no meya adwuma ni meni enhwe afa de ne wa odi letter ba say won entertain sa nioma no ene wasasa de letter ba say wa tese wa jatum say wa approve say Tetteh Yohonu wasa man contract for another 2 years. You see Asem we de bia metaka me say si anhwe ya politicians ebe kakra no ye be kofie say ye kwakwa campaign e wa fiefie mu they will chase us out. Ebe kakra no the ballot box ekosiwo se nipa meto ba obie nhu obeto ba ma. Ebe kakra no ukọ nipa nchesa woni ne kokasa ahwe omo betu abo. Ada ebe kakra no se oduru obi nchen na obie wona na kasa we politician na se ne obesi ahwe asum no because yen ka no kore. We don't have integrity. We don't have principles. Even among thieves there's honor. Among thieves there is honor. So kronfoka sa ade we menya onye. Esu nipa da sani ye to a ya ka asem ade atu nipa trima ma obi ate ho ate no. Ye san ye asema ya kase ye nye no eno ene ye san ye. Ye nie num guase politicians. Enti politicians eya futuo ade maye. Say esese ye truthful. Our word should be our bond. Man dada enipa sa eya na nipa ehu nada na dada omna eya na eya manfo ya so mato aba ma ye dada omusa enti ene politicians let's make our word our bond. Namaste.
Ma utrima ya ode yera jo Mahama o matumi akọ utrim o matumi no Ghana for kasa waya ade no tumi ni ye wura utrim. President, I am disappointed in you. I am so disappointed.
me time ye yi dampari free hono. Time ye yi dampari free hono. Aye de IGP Yohonu baye. Ena ye mu bi ka say na papa or call retirement. But then because minim say no mu pese papa no ne retirement mu no omo mani 2 years na minim. And nuntina because dampering the 60 years. And nuntina ni ye mu bi ka say na Yohoni enche no call retirement. And this if only be di attempt say oh or call retirement you be you for Emma make ka say unim dia woka because minim say edruwa omobe fetire ma John Mahama president asa extending to 2 years. I told an NDC guy I know didi matem say yera IGP Yohonu no the reason ne pan ne say onim so or retirement by ya shane boss say be extending no ene esi hwe ye kan sem bi obi awon hye dan tiase na ede nkoa ne e pa che say IGP wey e baaye IGP baye crime akosro crime IGP we obaye and your security issues obeka me say and number mienu a e ma me ma yewra John Mahama 70% no and your mienu a me de 10 marks was security and gamsey obia woni me ka asem ne say e ba security a yewra John Mahama ne IGP no moa no edrume bi me ka kire ne say IGP enyo NDC for the army time no why maintain was IGP experience, but I don't think say IGP where ye juma was say yes 2 years. Na nyama na ye kan ye no ene na abemu no. I'm trying to find sa the no social media NDC ni bedi matem so wo de bibia na IGP we call retirement no we are John Mahama aminim no or extended me catch so oboa me so minim John Mahama say ni nyina wi a ye be ma no I extending 2 years enra ene ye de beto ho sa council police council ne tina ase no o magia tum say obi a wadi 60 years no yes, how many 2 years? A buyer and it bear 1 hour. And yes, President John Mahama Sajia to me say, IGP or no crying who ni policy in some warrior. Yeah, money.
Chilawadi Babe, our conversation. How you Penyah Block Media? Okay.